Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into origination. 13 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Origination, which means the beginning or creation of something. Number 1. Start, which means the point in time or space at which something has its origin. Start. For example, we were present at the start of the event. Number 2. Dawn, which means the beginning of a phenomenon or period of time, especially one considered favorable. Dawn. For example, the dawn of civilization. Number 3. Cradle, which means a place or process in which something originates or flourishes. Cradle. For example, the cradle of democracy. Number 4. Inauguration, which means the beginning or introduction of a system, policy, or period. Inauguration. For example, the inauguration of an independent prosecution service. Number 5. Genesis, which means the origin or mode of formation of something. Genesis. For example, the influence of a childhood trauma on the subsequent genesis of neurosis. Number 6. Foundation, which means the action of establishing an institution or organization. Foundation. For example, soon after the foundation of the company. Number 7. Origination, which means the beginning or creation of something. Origination. For example, there are a number of theories on the origination of the name. Number 8. Emergence, which means the process of coming into existence or prominence. Emergence. For example, the emergence of the environmental movement. Number 9. Derivation, which means the formation of a word from another word or from a root in the same or another language. Derivation. For example, the derivation of the word toff. Number 10. Inception, which means the establishment or starting point of an institution or activity. Inception. For example, the inception of the EEC in 1958. Number 11. Conception, which means the forming or devising of a plan or idea. conception. For example, the time between a product's conception and its launch. Number 12. Creation, which means the action or process of bringing something into existence. Creation. For example, he embarked on the creation of an outstanding garden. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.